nonsense are you talking about?
To train you in school after your parents died.
Are you out of your mind?
No, sir. It's because of the story that I heard. I decided to pity on her, sir. That nothing else.
I shall deal with you later.
No, sir.
Clement.
Eh?
Out.
Is it not poor? Yes, sir.
Is that what you told him? Sister? Is that what you tell people about me? Well, thank you very much for caring for me. Thank you for being there for me when our parents died. Thank you very much. As much as you were showing all of that care with pain, anger and aggression. Thank you still, but sister, I have paid you now. But I have paid you back now, sister. I have paid you back. I have shown you so much love and kindness over the years. I put a roof over your head. A roof under which you and your ailing husband rest your head every night. I take care of your children. I pay their school fees. I put clothes on your back. I put your monthly salary. Your husband is down with stroke. The love I have for you, I transfer to him. I show empathy, I show love, I take care of him. What else do you want me to do? Sister, I have given you everything except one thing. Control over me and my life and all that matters with me. Sister, that, I'm sorry, I cannot give. I cannot give. Stay out of my life. I will not let you control me like I'm some little boy. Sister, stay the hell out of my life. You see these village rats that you brought here, that you tried to foist on me, will not happen. Ask her. I never touched her for one day. She can confirm it. Did she also tell you that I gave her money as compensation so that she can start something for herself and stop jumping on the next rich guy that she sees? Sister, I have found love in Tina. She's my wife. And no one would change my mind. Not even you. Please, I beg you. Stay away from me. I was not expecting to come back home and deal with this drama. Please, I'd advise that you take this thing out of my house before I call the police.
Hey! Police! Not only police.
I should call the police.
Call the army. Call the navy. Call SARS. We are not going anywhere. You see here, soldiers of Christ. We are not going.
Sister, you leave my house.
The Holy Spirit reveals to me that this thing here, from the pit of hell, is not your wife.
She is my wife.
She is your wife. And you must marry her.
Hey fam.
You know where you are?
I'm sure you know where you are.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Right here. You're watching Nollywood Pictures right here on YouTube for the best of African content and drama.
Nollywood Pictures TV. Nollywood Pictures TV.
My name is Frederick Leonard and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless you. I love you all.